Regina is truly the heart of the agricultural market, and I think it's very important to have a facility of this caliber in Western Canada. Hi, I'm Caleb Grittner, Site Manager of the BASF facility located in Regina, Saskatchewan. I've been a part of this facility for 10 years and have been overseeing this transformation project since 2018. At BASF, we're deeply committed to supporting our customers and helping Canada's farmers succeed. Our world-class Regina facility, located in the heart of our country's agricultural industry, plays a vital role in contributing to that success. We've invested more than $14 million into facility transformations as part of our continued commitment to our customers. This is the single biggest facility investment BASF Canada has made in the last decade. We're so proud of this team who worked on this transformation and who continue to work hard to support this facility. We can't wait to show you what we've done. Let's go take a look. We're really proud of the work we do here formulating products that are essential in helping address the agronomic challenges facing farmers, such as Viper, a new product for this facility that provides broad spectrum weed control in pulses, and also Liberty for high-yield clubroot resistant canola. This new facility has been retrofitted with the latest technology to support the production of over half of all BASF products made in Canada by volume, a number that will only increase over time. Prior to 2018, we relied on third parties or at BASF locations outside of Canada for production. This site provides us with a world-class production facility right here in Western Canada. We produce crop protection tools that farmers rely on, supporting the success of Canadian farmers and their key crops from seeding to harvest. We now have greater flexibility to support the production of new products in the future, underpinning our commitment to innovation and ensuring we continue to provide the solutions growers need today and tomorrow. Let's head over to the lab to talk to Greg.
Thanks, Caleb. Hi, everyone. I'm Greg Berner, BASF site chemist. I was born and raised here in Regina and come from a proud agricultural family. Continuing our agricultural tradition, I've worked here for the past 12 years. This is the lab, our Center for Quality Control. Here we ensure that every output meets our rigorous product quality standards and regulatory requirements. At BASF, we stand behind our products. Every product that leaves our facility is approved for quality assurance and documented in our quality management system so we can best support our farmers in the field. We've completely transformed this lab through our renovations, retrofitting it with new equipment and technology, including tools that provide low-level analysis and help eliminate the potential for cross-contamination, so our growers can feel confident putting their trust in BASF products. The lab is involved in every step at our site. To show you the next part of our process, I'm going to pass things off to Brody, who will walk you through our tank farm.
Hi everyone, I'm Brody Duncan, tank farm supervisor. I grew up in a small town Saskatchewan farming community and started at the Regina site in 2009. Welcome to the tank farm, where everything begins. So this part of the facility plays a critical role in offloading and sending raw material over to formulation. A notable addition to the site, individual offloads and storage systems preserve the quality of raw materials and help eliminate the potential for cross-contamination. A top priority at the tank farm is understanding each material's composition and storage requirements, which helps to maintain the highest standards at every level of production. We take several considerations into account when offloading raw material, including safety sheets, temperature control, and type of container the material is transported in. And of course, 2/3 of the raw materials we receive can freeze in our cold Canadian winter. So we need enhanced precautions and systems. Our facility tanks are equipped with heaters, and the lines have heat tracing to assure products do not freeze and remain at the correct temperatures. Once these materials are offloaded and reach the right temperature, we send them off to formulation. Let's go head over to formulation where Shay will show you around.
Hi, my name is Shay Thomas, Formulation Supervisor. I got my start in agriculture working summers at my aunt and uncle's farm. I've been at this facility for 15 years. Here in the formulation area, the most significant enhancement is the integration of automation. This new automation supports more efficient production, which results in consistent, higher quality outputs and enhanced safety measures for our employees. The new control room is the heart of the entire facility and allows us to oversee and manage all of production by providing real-time information on every valve and tank. Several new formulations were introduced in 2020. Additional products will be added in the latter half of 2021 as BASF looks to continuously expand our product offering. All formulation is done by tank weight and materials are added by kilograms to provide consistent formulation and packaging across finished goods, ensuring our customer the same level of quality every time. This transformation signals a milestone for our Regina site. We are now able to formulate more BASF products right here in Canada for Canadian farmers. Next up on the tour, packaging.
Hi, I'm Scott Kirk, one of 3 packaging supervisors here at the BASF Regina facility. I came in as a bit of a city boy, but I've been working here in agriculture for the last 8 years. Recent upgrades to our packaging area allow us to react quickly to the needs of our customers. This particular upgrade is really important as it helps us fill production requirements faster and switch production as necessary to make sure farmers have what they need when they need it. A key component of the site transformation is the introduction of segregation of lines by product. This reduces waste and improves efficiency. The packaging department is fitted with world-class automation technology, including fillers, conveyors, and robots. These automation upgrades not only enhance segregation between product lines for a better quality product, it also helps deliver on our safety commitments. By incorporating automation across the packaging department, employees are able to focus on quality control so that every BASF product is filled, labeled, and packaged correctly. Once a product's packaged, it's ready to be shipped to our customers across North America. Our team in the warehouse prepares every order for dispatch, ensuring products reach our retailers and farmers for when they need them.
Thank you for joining our tour. As you can see, we're really excited about our state-of-the-art facility located in the heart of Canada's agricultural industry, Regina, Saskatchewan. We are so proud of the work that's done here and what's to come for our operations in the future. I hope you enjoyed meeting some of our team and learning about how we support Canadian farmers with the products needed to bring out the best in crops across North America.